Hello everyone, welcome to Study to Light. This is Daily Current Affairs series, and this series will cover your factual portion for examinations like State PCS, Lower PCS, IS Prelims, SSC, Banking, PSI, Railway, UPSC, EPFO, CDS, Air Force and other examinations. If you are following this series continuously, you need not to worry about your factual portions for these examinations. Let's begin. Here is the question for the day. You have to answer this question in the comment section, and on next day we will see how many of you answered the question correctly. So here is the question. National Human Rights Commission, in short called as NHRC, was established in. These are the options. Read the option carefully and then answer. And last day, those who have answered the question correctly were Noor Sabha, Sai Ram, Akhila Akhi, Gopinath, Krishnakant, Kalyan Panuganti, Rasmita, Rivaleen, Ketatum, SR, Rekha, Anshu Jha, Wani Adil, Anshu Man, Meenakshi, Balaji Gopal, Neeraj, Satyanarayana Reddy, Abhilash Kavuri, Rohit Chakrabarti, Vishesh Kadam and Jagdish Chander. Okay, now let's move ahead. The first question. Recently the RBI, that is Reserve Bank of India, has reduced repo rate to. So RBI has reduced repo rate to 4.4%. What is repo rate? Repo rate is the rate at which RBI lends money to commercial banks. Commercial banks here include Punjab National Bank, State Bank of India and other banks. So on this rate, RBI lends money to these commercial banks, and in return commercial banks give some securities to RBI. Next question. Recently RBI has reduced reverse repo rate to. So RBI has reduced reverse repo rate to 3.75%. Remember, 3.75%. Now what is reverse repo rate? See, reverse repo rate is the rate at which commercial banks lend to RBI. You get the difference between repo rate and reverse repo rate? See, in repo rate, where RBI was lending to commercial banks at a specific rate, while in reverse repo rate, commercial banks will now lend to RBI at 3.75%. Now the question here arises is why Reserve Bank of India has decided to reduce the reverse repo rate. See, when the reverse repo rate will be lower, this means that when commercial banks will lend their money to RBI, they will get lower interest rate. So this will discourage the commercial banks to lend their money to RBI, and it will encourage the commercial banks to lend their money to investors, so that money goes into the market, not to the RBI. Why so? Because RBI wants to increase economic activities in the country. Next question. The RBI has announced to provide rupees blank special financial assistance to SIDBI, NABARD and National Housing Bank. So recently RBI has announced a package of rupees 50,000 crore to SIDBI, NABARD and NHB, that is National Housing Bank. Next question. Who has been appointed as the ambassador of World Fund India? So here Viswanathan Anand has been appointed as the ambassador of World Fund, that is WWF India. So here C is the right answer, and WWF India, its secretariat is in New Delhi. And WWF is an international NGO. It was founded in 1961. Very important here, remember, WWF was founded in 1961, and WWF as of now is the largest conservation organization in the world. And Viswanathan Anand has joined the organization for its environment education program. Under this environment education program, students and citizens of the country are encouraged and provide training so that they may be problem solvers, they may become critical thinkers and environmentally conscious individuals. Next question. World Health Day is celebrated on. So World Health Day is celebrated on April 7th. So here A is the right answer. Why I have included this question? Because United States of America has decided to stop its funding to WHO because of accusation on WHO for favoring to China and putting the world's security at risk. So for more details about WHO funding, you have to watch the previous day video. I will share that video in the end of the screen. And 7th of April marks the establishment of WHO in the year of 1948. So this is very important this year. In any exam, they may ask you that on what day WHO was established or on what day World Health Day is celebrated. So it is 7th of April and it was established in 1948. Next question. Tremor Cirrus Salazar, which is a new species of green pit viper, has been found in. So this Tremor Cirrus Salazar has been found in Pakke Tiger Reserve. So here B is the right answer, and this Pakke Tiger Reserve is located in Arunachal Pradesh, which is a country in far northeast. So here B is the right answer. Next question. Which state became the first state to start pool testing? So it is Uttar Pradesh. Under this pool testing, samples of different individuals are taken together and they are tested whether they are positive or negative. If the result is positive, then individuals is tested separately. If the result is negative for COVID-19, then none of the individuals are tested separately. Next question. World Hemophilia Day is celebrated on. So World Hemophilia Day is celebrated on April 17th. So here B is the right answer. What is hemophilia? See, hemophilia is an inherited bleeding disorder in which blood does not clot properly. And this day in this year, the theme is Get Plus Involved Virtually and Stay Safe. I repeat, the theme for this year is Get Plus Involved Virtually and Stay Safe. And the day is observed by World Federation of Hemophilia. Next question. Pusha, which is a decontamination tunnel, has been developed by. So this Pusha, a decontamination tunnel, has been developed by Indian Council for Agriculture Research. Remember, ICAR, or Indian Council of Agriculture Research. And this decontamination tunnel is just like a tunnel. Here personnel will pass through and a sprayer will spray disinfectants on their body, and the disinfectant which is used in this tunnel is quaternary ammonium, and this quaternary ammonium is used as surfactants, disinfectant, anti-static agents or fabric softener. So remember the compound quaternary ammonium has been used in this Pusha tunnel, and this has been developed by ICAR. Next question. Which is the largest producer of vegetables? So China is the largest producer of vegetable in the world, while India is the second largest producer of vegetables in the world. These days, vegetables and fruits are very important because government is taking different steps to increase the supply of vegetables and fruits to different parts of the country because of lockdown. Next question is Kharif crops are sown during. So Kharif crops are sown during June and July, and Kharif crops are harvested during September and October month, while Zaid, which include fruits and vegetables, are sown and harvested between March and July. See, we have 3 crop seasons. In India, we have 3 crop seasons. First one is Kharif, second one is Rabi, and the third one is Zaid. So Kharif is sown in June, July and harvested in September, October, while Rabi is sown in November, October, November or December, and it is harvested in month of April to June, while Zaid is sown between March and July. So remember the time period for all these 3 crop seasons. And if you find the video useful, share it with your friends, like the video, answer the question in the comment section, subscribe to the channel, and wait for the upcoming video. Until then, stay at your home and stay safe.